going to learn about how to add amounts of money. In the United States, the basic unit of money is the dollar. When you see a dollar sign with a 1 next to it, $1, this denotes one whole dollar. The dollar sign means that the numbers after this sign are money. When writing dollars and cents and amounts of money, it's very important to put the dollar sign in front of your numbers so that you know that the numbers coming next have to do with money. There is no space in between the dollar sign and the numbers that come after it. This is the right way of writing money. $1 can be broken into 100 cents. This is the smallest unit of money that we have a coin for. 1 penny equals 1 cent. When you see a 1 with a cent sign after it, this denotes 1 cent. And we write the cent sign after the number, whereas we write the dollar sign before the number. There's no space between the number and the cent sign, just the same as there's no space in between the dollar sign and the number. Now let's see how we can add dollars or add cents. We have two problems here, both with the instructions to add. In this problem, we want to add $15 plus $10. And in this problem here, we want to add 12 cents plus 13 cents. And so, in this first example, both of our numbers are just dollars, no cents. And so when we are adding dollars only or cents only, we add them very similar to the way that we add normal whole numbers. So I'm going to line up my numbers. I'm going to line them up vertically, $15 plus $10, and add them together just like I add regular numbers. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 1 is 2, and I want to make sure that I don't forget my dollar sign in front, and I have the answer of $25. So you can see that when I'm adding two dollar amounts together, when there's only dollars, I add them just like regular numbers. In this problem here, I have two things to add together that are both only cents. And so again, I'm going to add these together just like I would add together regular numbers. So I'm going to line them up and do 12 cents plus 13 cents and add them like I add a regular number and do 2 plus 3 equals 5 and 1 plus 1 equals 2. So I get 25, but I have to remember to put my cent sign there so that I know that this number isn't $25 or just 25 items, but it's actually 25 cents. So as you can see, I added these just like I add regular numbers. Let's look at a problem in which we need to add money that involves both dollars and cents. So our problem says that we need to add together $3.42 plus $5.85. So we're dealing with both dollars and cents in this problem. So one way that we can do this is to add the dollars together, the whole number dollars together, and then add the cents together, the whole numbers of cents, and work on those separately. So let's take a look at doing it that way. So we have our $3 here and our $5 here that need to be added together. So I'm going to first work with my whole dollars. So I've got $3 plus $5, which gives me $8. And I'm going to leave that for a minute, and now let's look at the cents. So now I've got 42 cents that needs to be added together with the 85 cents. So now I have 42 cents plus 85 cents, which equals 127 cents. So I could write my answer to this problem as $8 and 127 cents. But writing this way, writing my answer this way, is not the desirable way to answer a problem like this. Because when I look over here at my total number of cents, if my total number of cents in the answer is more than 100, then it represents an amount that's more than $1. And so what I want to do is I want to regroup my cents so that they are less than 100 cents or less than $1. So what I do is I look at this and I realize that I have, this is the same as 100 cents plus 27 cents. 127 cents is the same as 100 cents plus 27 cents, and 100 cents is equal to $1. So I can actually replace this 100 cents with one whole dollar. And now I'm going to regroup and I'm going to move this $1 from the cents area over here to my dollars area. So I'm going to come over here to this $8 and I'm going to add $1 to that, which is going to give me 9 whole dollars. And I'm going to erase this so I have a little room here, and 27 cents. So this would be one way of coming up with an answer of adding $3.42 plus $5.85 equals $9.27.